This is my old and ugly outdoor light, and in this video, I'll show you how to replace outdoor light fixture. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy. I like to make short and helpful videos like this one. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. For your safety, turn off your circuit breaker. Double check that it's off by flickering the light switch and looking to make sure that the light is off. Step 2. There are only 2 nuts that are holding the light fixture. Some new light fixtures might be held by 2 screws on the sides. Remove the nuts by hand, or you may need to use a wrench. Step 3. Do me a favor and smash that like button. Step 4. Pull the light fixture off and remove the wire nuts by unscrewing them. Then disconnect the 3 wires. Step 5. Use a drill and remove the light fixture mounting plate. Step 6. Buy a new light fixture. I got mine on Amazon from LMS Lighting. I'll have a link in the description below. And if you use the promo code ANDYLMS10, you'll get 10% off. The light that I got was very good build quality. It also came with a nice thank you card, and installation instructions, and some hardware. Next, remove the side screws to release the mounting plate. And this is what the wires look like. Step 7. Slide the new light fixture over the wires and install it into the existing screw holes. But be careful and pay attention to the sides. They need to be on the left and right and not on top and bottom. I also ended up using a piece of paper to transfer the hole pattern. Then I drilled an additional hole and mounted in the right location. Luckily, the other side of the garage fitted just fine and I was able to use existing holes. Step 8. Pay attention to the orientation arrow on the new light so you can install it properly. Next, wire the wires together, the black wire with the black wire, white one with the white wire, and ground with ground. Use the provided wire nuts to screw them together. Step 9. Remove one screw and loosen the other on the mounting plate, and push the wire nuts through the center hole. Then screw the wire nut plate back on. Then put the light on the mounting bracket and screw in the side screws on both sides. Next, turn on your circuit breaker. This is what it looks like installed, and then this is what it looks like at dusk. And finally, this is what it looks like at night. Like and subscribe.